Describing people. Describing people is an important topic that helps us express our feelings and impressions toward those we meet in life. A person is a mix of outward appearance and inner qualities, both of which reflect their personality. When we describe someone, we often start with their physical appearance. We might mention their height, skin color, facial shape, eye color, and hairstyle. Some people have calm features that give a sense of comfort, while others have sharp looks that suggest a strong personality. But outward appearance alone is not enough to truly know someone. Some people have simple features but hearts full of kindness, and others may seem strict yet have a playful spirit. I remember my friend Ahmed, a young man of medium height with short black hair and radiant brown skin. His eyes are wide and brown, topped with thick eyebrows, and his warm smile makes you feel as if you have known him for a long time. Ahmed is not only attractive in appearance but also in personality. He is patient, listens attentively to others, and helps without expecting anything in return. He has a great sense of humor that can make you laugh even in difficult moments. On the other hand, I also know my teacher at school, a woman in her mid-40s with brown hair tinged with gray. She always dresses neatly and elegantly. Her features are serious, yet her words are full of encouragement and motivation. My teacher combines firmness with kindness. She sets rules clearly but supports her students and pushes them toward success. This blend makes her a unique and beloved figure. When describing people, it is important to notice their body language. The way they walk, move their hands, and use their tone of voice all reveal much about their personalities. A confident person walks with steady steps and holds their head high, while a shy person may avoid eye contact. Speech style also adds another dimension to description. Some people speak calmly, choosing their words carefully, while others talk quickly and enthusiastically, reflecting their energetic nature. Kind personalities often smile a lot and use positive words, while angry or tense ones may raise their voice and have sharp facial expressions. Description is not limited to people we know personally. It can also apply to individuals we see in the street, read about in books, or watch in films. For example, the hero in a novel might be brave and strong, yet the author often reveals moments of human vulnerability. Using similes in descriptions adds beauty. We might say, "His eyes shine like stars," or "Her smile lights up like the morning sun on a spring day." This makes the description more vivid and engaging. However, we must remember that description is not always about physical beauty. It can also focus on the qualities that inspire us. We might describe someone as wise, generous, or inspiring, even if they are not striking in appearance. There are also people who leave a deep impression on us after meeting them only once. Perhaps because of a kind word they said, or a noble act they did. No matter how different personalities are, every person has their own unique mark. This mark is a mix of their looks, behavior, and values. In conclusion, describing people is an art that combines careful observation with sincere feelings. Words can paint a clear picture in the reader's or listener's mind, even if they have never met the person. Our ability to describe others also reflects our ability to understand and appreciate them. This understanding is the foundation of successful human relationships, as it opens the door to deep communication built on respect. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive all the new updates.